I'm just going to have to go out and try and avoid him now. Phew, I knew this was a bad idea. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Motor Machines channel. Today has been a little bit different really. As you can see, I'm on the Grom MSX 125, whatever you want to call it. I've come out scouting for e-bike locations and I've found this abandoned ex-Formula 1 site. It used to be Caterham and before that it was TWR. This is basically an unintentional video. I didn't really want to make anything, but once I got in there and had a look round, and then I nearly got spotted by someone who was walking on the premises. It all says private, but I don't know why someone was on there, and I was in the building. So I had to make a quick, sharp exit and get back to my bike before anyone spotted me. It wasn't that bad, but for me on my own, I don't really want to get caught doing something like this. But it's a bit different, and I thought I'd share the experience with you. If you want to have a look and see what I've been up to, then hang around and we'll be back very soon. I remember what this is. This is an old Formula 1 team, Caterham. Before that I think it was Benetton. Shall we go and have a sneak? I'm going to go in there, but I want to hide my bike a bit if I can. Hide it like that. Maybe there's somewhere better I can hide. Not going to be a problem getting in there. Abandoned engineering. I think this is my best place to park. This is different then. I don't think I'm going to obviously get the e-bike in here, but let's go and have a look. Here we are then. Let's go and have a look at this old Formula 1 team site. Wow. Look at it, just abandoned. Wow, look at the place. Oh my god. I'm going to keep my helmet on. Wow, look at the back here. There's a generator over there. It's amazing what people just abandon and leave. The money here, this could all be houses, look at it. Oh Jesus, what a waste. That little building there. Must be pretty decent for the e-bike. State of it, people have vandalised it a lot. I don't know how many years it would have been closed. Not too many. Wow. Oh my god, they've been in and robbed the place for scrap. Come on. Jump out on me. I'm not going too far. Kicking it already. Somebody's kettle. It's hard to breathe with this helmet on, but I don't want to take it off in case someone tries to hit me over the head. Shit, there's someone over there. Oh no. Is there another way out? Uh-oh. Trapped. Shit. Must be another one. Gotta be another window out. Shit. I'm gonna get locked in here. Look, there's a swimming pool. I'm jogging now, I'm panicking. fuckers. Nice reception, hello sir. Race. Fuck no. Fucking got to get out the other side of the building somehow. Oh my god, I'm kicking it. I'm just going to have to go out and try and avoid him, aren't I? Phew, I knew this was a bad idea. Yeah, it's a bad idea. If I go this way. Nice premises. Hoping I can get out the back. Must be away. Sugar. Jogging, doing my fitness with a helmet on, makes it hard to breathe. Sugar, where the hell? I'm getting more lost now. Massive this place, I would take my helmet off. But if I see that guy again, trying to get my breath back, it's better without the helmet on. Trying to get my breath back, it's better without the helmet on. I'm getting worried though. If I see that guy again, put my helmet back on and hide my face. Nice graffiti, nice graffiti. This is the main reception area then. Nice and big. Modern. I actually also remember this used to be TWR. And now look at the place, TWR, Caterham, you are no more. Thank you for my little explore, I've enjoyed that. Hopefully this won't go wrong. Great stuff. Just in time, look at that. I was just in time then. But yeah. Got a bit sketchy then when I saw that guy walking. Haven't seen him again, he's probably waiting by my bike. I come out a different entrance and no one's seen me. Well, I haven't seen that guy again and he's not waiting by my bike, but I bet he's taken my number plate details, I bet. But I came out a different way I went in, because I thought he might wait by my bike, but I was wrong. Get my breath back now. Yeah, I enjoyed that. I wouldn't mind coming back with someone else. Oh no, oh, I thought I had a flat battery then. Well, that was interesting. Give me a little bit of a buzz, that did. Anyway, it's time for me to head home now. I've wasted a lot of time in there. Hope you enjoyed this unusual bit of content on the Motor Machines channel. I definitely did. I always enjoy exploring. Anyway, that's me out of here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Motor Machines out. Oh my god, the cambers on this road dragging me everywhere. Cracks and all the repairs. What are those lights?